Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you transfer Cembra app to new phone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To transfer the Cembra Money app to your new phone, what you need to do is head over and open up the App Store on your new phone, and then on the search bar type in Cembra Money app, and then simply look for an icon like this and then tap on the app, then tap on the get button and follow the on-screen instructions to simply download the app. Now once you have downloaded the app, tap on the open, and here select I have an account, and then now what you need to do is scan the QR code. Now you can also enter your username and password. Then depending on the security settings, you may need to verify your identity using either SMS code, push notification for additional authentication, Face ID or fingerprint if you have biometric login enabled. Then your Cembra Money account and all data linked to it, such as recent transactions or payment details, should automatically sync with the new device once you log in. If necessary, you can set up Face ID or fingerprint login for easier access to the app. Once you're sure everything is working on your new phone, you can uninstall the Cembra Money app from your old phone to avoid any confusion. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.